Sadia says, is it sunnah for all the family members to eat from a single plate? The sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, when he heard the complaint of his companions saying, "O Prophet of Allah, we travel together, and when food time comes, it's not sufficient. We're always hungry." So the Prophet said, maybe you are eating in isolation. Each one of you is eating alone. They said, yes. He said, no, don't do that. Gather on the food, say Bismillah, and eat from one plate. This is the sunnah. So most people do this. Nowadays, people are a little bit fancier. So they tend to have their own plates and put the food in it. There's no problem in that. I personally prefer to eat from the same plate, the big plate that we are all sharing in, seeking the barakah, the blessing of Allah Azza wa Jal. So should we do it on the table or put it on the floor? The sunnah and the easiest is to eat on the floor. The Prophet ﷺ had never eaten on a table. He always ate on the floor. I always eat on the floor. I enjoy this because it's a sunnah and you feel comfy. You feel easy going rather than eating on a table and then you may fall down. Subhanallah. But if someone says, yes, but I'm used to eating on the table, sitting on a chair, no problem. It's the sky's the limit. Go ahead. There's nothing wrong in that at all.